how to use the feeling in our body to help us make decisions. We're not just lost in our head, because we can get really confused when we're just in our head, overthinking stuff. We now connect to our feelings. But now when you first connect to your feelings like this, there is a time to where maybe your feelings aren't the best, you know? And when that happens, you have to sit with it and be okay with it. And that's what I talked about, accepting it and letting those uncomfortable feelings and emotions rise up so you can let them go. And then at some point you connect to your feelings, and now your feelings feel better. You're starting to feel more peaceful. Every time when you do this, when you meditate, that's what you do. A lot of people ask, what is meditation? What is the benefit of it? You know? Meditation allows us to be able to connect to our body, connect to that energy, connect to who we really are. Meditation allows us to be able to see the thoughts, but not get mixed up in them. Learning how to silence your mind and learning how to be still every single day. We start to use our feelings to make decisions. We start to use our feelings to be able to tell which people are good for us in our life. You meet somebody, you can hear what it is you're saying, you can think about them, but you can also feel them at the same time. Now you're using your mind and your body. Well, now when we're making decisions and we can't weigh out what's good and what's bad, because there's these pros and these cons and it's so confusing. Now we can just go, okay, let me back up a little bit. Let me go and relax and let me see how I feel about it. Our feelings is what opens up creativity and imagination, not our mind. Our mind is very limited to what we learn and analyze.